Hey, welcome to my channel. It's just me, Tambari, and I'm here to show you how I go from this to this. Yeah, I just woke up from a nap. I've had a headache all day, so I've been sleeping all day. But I really need to get this tutorial recorded. And what's the tutorial that you're recording, Tambari? I'll answer you. Camera and fake audience members. Hi. So today, guys, we're going to show you how to do a twist out with stretched hair. How I stretch this hair, basically just two braids, and it wasn't like cornrows, just like two braids. That's how I've been wearing my hair underneath my wig. When I wear wigs, I wash my hair, condition it, or I just put conditioner, put leave-in, and then as it's like really wet, I just, you know, like tug it like that and braid. And that's how I stretch my hair. So I have my spray bottle here, and so what I'm going to do is basically dampen my hair just a little bit. I don't want it wet. I want it just a little damp so that I can manipulate it just a little bit better. And then I have my mousse, and that's what I'm going to do. And as you know, this is a twist out. You have seen my flat twist out on stretched hair. This is going to be my flat twist out on. Okay. I was like, what is going on? Why aren't you spraying? So yeah, just getting there damp. My hair smells nice and it's soft. So fun fact, I've been following that whole, like, you know, no butter, no oil trend. I'll say it's a trend because I'm pretty sure things are going to change soon again, and it's going to be like, oh no, this is how you should be doing your natural hair. I like that trend. So I like this particular trend now because, well, it saves me time. And as you know, your girl is a lazy natural. So my white tooth comb, just combing through. So all I've got in my hair from prior is leave-in conditioner. So I did a co-wash. Then I've got leave-in conditioner in. I put in leave-in conditioner and grease. So I don't put in a lot of grease. I put in the leave-in conditioner. Then I braided my hair into two. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I just ran upstairs to go and get these. Okay. Anyways, so I did a co-wash and then put in leave-in conditioner, put my hair in two braids, and then used grease to kind of just like seal in the moisture on the tip of the actual braids. So now let's get into the twist. I don't know how many twists I want to do. Usually I would part my hair into 4 sections. Actually, that's what I'm going to do, 4 sections. This is going to be in 4. Might as well just do that now. Nah. Okay, so 1, 2, and then imagine 3, 4. And then I would create 4 twists at the back right here. My hair has grown, guys. Look at that length. Ah! I'm loving it. And then the mousse. This mousse has almond and avocado oil. I've been a real big fan of almond oil and avocado. My hair doesn't like heavy stuff. Besides the grease, but like I said, I don't even put that much grease in my hair. Okay, I split that into 2. right? And then what should I do with this one? I think I'm actually just going to twist this one straight up. Yeah. And a little bit more loose, especially to the ends. And then twist. If you can hear like background noise, that is the fiance doing his gaming stream. He gets super excited. All right, so that's one twist. I'll split this in two and do two twists. Actually, you know what? No, I'm gonna do another one twist here. Yeah. I don't want too many twists in my hair, because that causes it to not match. I notice like the more twists I have in my hair, the less likely my 4C matches my 3C section. So the bigger, not like necessarily the bigger the twist. Actually no, yeah. The bigger the twist, the more likely it is to match the curl patterns. It's weird. It's super weird. So this section right here itself, I can feel the difference in texture, and that's because of the curl pattern. It's this section right here is more, what do I call it? I think it's more like 4A. This part is like 3C. Next section, I'm gonna split it into half again. Then I'll twist here. I think I'll do like 3 twists, and then maybe 3 twists here as well. So in total, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Is that right? Yes. Okay. Spray with some water. Alright, halfway done. Just hit my eye. Okay. To do this section right here. That feels good. You know what? I might turn this into 2. Yeah, split that up into 2. That's what I'll do. Yeah, I got bars. Hey, I got bars. I got bars. Alright, let's split this into half. I need a better spray bottle. I need that one that a lot of people have that goes shh, shh. Kind of brings out like mist type of hair spray. That's cool. Yeah, do 1 and then 2. If you can see that. It's really the lens for me. What's up, y'all? Alright, we are at the last twist. Okay. And we're done. That's the twists. Here's the twists. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna wake up tomorrow and unravel this thing right here. And that will be my twist out. So I'll catch you guys later. Some ASMR. Alright, so life got in the way, and I ended up keeping these twists in for longer than I expected. When I say life got in the way, I caught something, got sick, and then the weather was absolutely horrible. Couldn't go out in a twist out because it would have just been a massive puff, and that's not the look I was really going for. So here to unravel these twists, and yeah, hopefully it turns out good. This is a twist out on stretched hair. I'm just lubricating my fingers to unravel. I haven't done a twist out on stretched hair, and this I'm talking about like a regular twist out, in a very long time. Usually when I do these sort of twists, it's on stretched hair, and then my stretched hair, I leave that for flat twist outs. These are really easy to unravel because my hair did a really good job of stretching, especially without a blow dryer. That my new method of just like the 2 braids, easiest way to stretch my hair. Now I can already see that, you know, this back hair, because of the looser curl, it's going to be a lot longer than the rest of the hair. So moving forward, whenever I do a twist out on stretched hair, I'm not gonna stretch the back. I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it after washing. I'm not gonna do anything to it. That way the length will match the length of the rest of the hair. Time to splickety split. You know, I don't think I'm gonna like how this turns out. This is a little too, this is not what I don't think this is what I was intending. I can already see it. I can see it. I don't think this is what I was going for. What I should probably start doing is, if my hair stretches this much and I do twists, I should probably curl the ends, like the tips, with rollers. Probably what I will do next time, if I have time. Alrighty, so this is 1/2 of the hair done. It's not bad. It is not bad at all. Right, let's do this part and see how it turns out. My hair is so weird. The front part is so much thinner than the rest of the hair. And of course the curl pattern is a lot looser. I mean, it's very obvious. Which is why I tend to wear bangs a lot. Because, yeah, it just falls nicely in front. Alright, check this out. Alright, and now to separate this more to give it more volume, pick at it. Okay. I need more hair on this side. But it looks like I have some definition. This is the most definition I've actually ever had with a twist out. And I think it's because I used mousse. I've been using mousse lately. Some more ASMR. Yeah, I'm really loving using mousse for sure. All them gel creams and curl creams, curl mousse, putty and jellies, it's just never worked for me. Mousse, on the other hand, with little product on top, like literally all it is leave-in conditioner and then mousse. Straight up. Alright, let's make this thing look decent. Okay, I think for this hair I'm gonna wear it to the side. I don't do that as often as I used to, but yeah. Okay. Okay. I am digging this. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you like how it turned out. I mean, I'm still not feeling this front part here. It's too thin. But, I mean, that's what I've been dealing with having different curl patterns and thicknesses and densities and whatnot. But, yeah, I like it. I like it. I love it. I think it's cute. So cute. Alright, this is the end result of my twist out on stretched hair. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm feeling it. I am. I didn't think it was gonna come out this way, but you know what? I'm totally fine with it. That's the thing with my hair. I try to have zero expectations when I start a hairstyle, because my hair likes to just, she likes to go on her own and do her own thing, Miss Independent, and so I have zero expectations, and whatever she gives me, I'm like, alright boo, you look good. And I think she looks good. Yes? No? So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, like it. Click the like button, also subscribe and share, and let me know if you ever struggle with twist outs, and I can try and help you guys as much as I can. I've been watching YouTube tutorials on different hair textures and hair curl patterns since the beginning of YouTube. It's just taking me so long to actually get on here. But anyways, I'd like to have a conversation about twist outs and like what products you guys use. If you ever stretch your hair to do a twist out, and yeah, let me know if you are going to try it out. Anyways, in the meantime, I will catch you guys later. Bye.